how to change the settings to the side before I can show you on how to operate on the system. So to change, to connect the device onto the internet and other settings, you long press at the bottom of the screen up until it shows you an option to send. Then you double tap more than 5 times. Then it will come with the options to go to the settings. So the device has different options. Has the base option, the network one, and standalone. So standalone, you'll be using your USB drive. Okay, so I'll go into the network mode. So into the network mode, this is for you to connect the device to your laptop or your PC. So you need to make sure that the device IP address is the same to the machine that you'll be using. So for example, on our machine that we're using right now, go to properties, and you'll see that the IP address for this device is this one, 192.168.1.1. So this is what you put. You put the IP address and also the name of the device. So you can name this device to whatever name that you want. So for example, on ours, we named it JCVision 1. And if you have different options that you different devices connect that you want to connect, you can select the different options. So for this model, since we're connecting one machine to this, we will just the syncing option is 1. But if it's 2 or more, we can make this the master, then the other devices as options. Then after save, it will connect. Okay, I'm back. Before I can go on to the other side, I'll just give you a quick rundown of the settings there. You can change on the face recognition settings, you can change for the device to detect whether the person is wearing a mask or not wearing a mask. Also the temperature settings, whether to 37.5 is the limit, that after anyone who has the temperature which is after 37.5, it will detect and give an alarm. And also the sensing distance, you can change it according to how you want it. So here, for example, we set it between 1 to 50 centimeters. Okay, so now I'll go to our PC to open the program. By default, the setting comes as admin and the password also as admin. You can change the language into the options which are there. Okay, so then the password is also admin by default. Okay, then login. So this is the login page for the system. So if you add the devices that you add, the IP address of the device, it will indicate the number of devices which are there at the bottom. So now we want to enable this device to come online. Okay, then you select the device, then you go on input terminal. Okay, then it will say successful. So now the device is online, as it will indicate on the side of the menu. Then now the next thing that you will need to do is to upload content onto the program so that it can be distributed onto the device. So the first thing that you'll do, you'll go to upload program. Okay, then you select the option of content that you want to upload. So for example, you want to upload a picture. Okay, then we'll upload it and it will indicate that it was successful. Okay, and then it will be indicated at the bottom. Then we go to resources again to add different content that we want to play. So now I'll go to video and also upload. And then the video is there. Okay, the device will upload. Then it has to indicate that it's successful once it's uploaded. Okay, so now it's successful. Okay, then we close this. So if you have different content that you want to upload, you can just go there and select different options. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'll just use these two. So, if you next thing now, you'll go to make program. Okay, then go to the program name. You can put the different names which are there. Okay, then the standard program, since it's one screen, the resolution is this one is okay. Then yes, okay. Then it will give you a platform where you can upload the content that you want to upload. So I'll start with the picture. Select the picture that I want to move, then move it to the playlist. Then yes, then it will come here. Then you can drag and drop it onto like the way that you want it to showcase on the screen. Then you go to video, since I want to upload a video also. Then send it to the playlist. Then yes. Then I can drag it and drop it like at the bottom. So now I have like the content that I want to upload onto the device. And at the bottom it will have the resolution, the program name, and the interval of times where the program will be changing the content. Then I'll go on to, you can either preview or save or log out or leave it. So now I'll save. Okay, it has saved it. So now you can see the different programs which are mine. The program name was JCVision 2. Then I have to send it to the device. Then select the device that I want to send to. Then send the content. So on this option, if you want to replace the content which is already showing on the screen, you can replace. But if you want to edit to make it into a continual playlist, you go to append, and the other options are the same. Then send. Then on the top right corner of the screen, it will start indicating that it's uploading your content. Then the download is finished. So now after 30 seconds, it will change to the content that I published, and you realize that now the JCVision logo will come on top and the video will be at the bottom. So now you see the content has changed. So this is the video that we uploaded right now. The logo is on top and the video is playing at the bottom. Also on the on the software, you're able to see the events that happen onto when people came through to the device. So on event log, you can see different statistics like the playtime, also like the temperature warnings, like that would have happened, and you can also export the information to Excel and use it to send to other people, or on the system you are able to see, for example, like this. So it will have a picture of the person, the time when it's indicated, the temperature, and if it's like maybe within a company setup, it will have the name of the person. If it's just at a random place, it will have like stranger, for example, and you can show like the different pages of content available, and also you can export the information and it will be generated and saved onto your machine. So also on this part, like previous programs that were preloaded onto the system, you're able to recover them here. And if you want to resend them, if you deleted them, you can just see them and select the program and create that for it to go.